Hello, this video will show how can we extend background of image by using Generative Fill in Photoshop. Generative Fill is a new AI tool to add, extend, or remove content from our image. In previous video, we tried to add content into an image. We can find this video in this channel. In this video, I will show how can we extend background of the image. Let me open my folder and drag the image into Photoshop. To extend the background, firstly we can adjust the canvas size. I will use 6497, and then we can make a selection. I select the middle of the image first, and then select it inwards. Make sure that we select the right area and the edge of the image, and then we can right click to choose Generative Fill, or we can use this contextual taskbar, click Generative Fill, and leave it blank and generate. So this is the option of the filling background. We have three options, 1, 2, and 3. They are quite nice. This is how we can use Generative Fill to extend background of the image in Photoshop. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.